Zhao Zhengtao is an expert in shadow puppet production, performance and script writing. But what he cares about the most is the inheritance of China's traditional shadow puppet culture. On one hand, Zhao continues the creation of traditional shadow puppet. On the other hand, he also introduces Western artistic images into shadow puppet production and tries to create new plays.
我叫赵增涛，是宁夏自治区籍非遗传承人。今年57岁，这个戏影是20多年了。在传统的基础上再与时俱进，没有传统的，它就没有这个根儿了就。一直坚持传统，要不创新的话，它就没法发展下去。你要融进一些现代的文化，还有一些中西文化的融合，还有现代的表达方式。现代的这种高科技，这种现代人这种习惯的这种方式来表达它，它是个根骨子里边还是这种文化。
Zhao also brings the intangible cultural heritage to schools. Shadow puppet plays involving traditional culture also promote children's understanding of the Chinese culture.
非遗进校园的工作，我们已经这个从10几年了。那么只要孩子感兴趣，就咱们抓住孩子。